Good morning students. Today we are going to perform experiment number 8, that is verify operation of MUX. For this we required MUX IC 74151 or 74150. Here we are going to use IC 74151. It is 8 to 1 MUX, that is it has 8 inputs and 1 output. This is block diagram of MUX IC 8 to 1. D0 to D7 data inputs are required. Enable pin E. Here we are going to use enable pin E as active low. 3 selection lines are required, S0, S1 and S2, and 1 output Y. Here is two table of 8 to 1 MUX. Selection lines S0, S1 and S2. Enable pin E and output Y. Select the selection line such that we get output of anyone from data D0 to D7. Like if we select the selection line 0, 0, 0, we get output from data line D0. If we select selection line 0, 1, 0, we get output from data line D2. If we select selection line 0, 1, 1, we get data from D7 data input. Here is the circuit diagram of 8 to 1 MUX. Pin number 8 is ground. Pin number 7 is enable pin or strobe pin, that is active low, so it is connected to ground. Pin number 16 is used for VCC. Pin number 5 is output line wire, and pin number 6 is complement of output, that is Y bar. Data inputs are D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. And selection lines are S0, S1, S2 for pin number 11, 10 and 9. Let us go for circuit diagram, or let us perform experiment. Here we are using IC 74151. Pin number 7 and pin number 8 is connected to ground, that is pin number 8 is ground and pin number 7 is enable pin, that is connected to ground. Pin number 16 is connected to 5 volt, that is VCC. Here pin number 11 is selection line S0, S1 and S2. These are selection lines. And output Y is at pin number 5, that is connected to output section. Now we give selection inputs as a selection lines, that is if we give inputs from selection lines as 0, 0, 0, the data input D1 is, if the data input D1 is given to pin number 4, then we get output at pin number 5 as, if we give data input 1, we get output 1. If we give data input 0, we get output 0 according to the selection line 0, 0, 0. Data input is given to D1 and selection line is selected as 1, then we get output as, if data input is 0, we get output 0. If data input is 1, we get output 1. Likewise, if data input is given to D6 at pin number 13, and if we select here selection line
110.
110, then data input is, if data input is 1, output is 1, if data input is 0, output is 0. Likewise, you have to check all the possible combinations of selection lines and you get output at a respective pin. Thank you.